Hi everyone! We have here a 2015 BMW 5 Series. The client brought this one for interior repair. This is a very common problem. As you can see, the whole ceiling sag. And also the back seat, the driver back needs to be repaired. And also the passenger side. Also this power door switch, power window switch holder, as you can see, the rubber is very sticky already. And also the handle. This is the front door. And you can see the inner handle. This is very sticky already. So we're going to repair this one. And for the interior, we're going to use original for the ceiling. We'll update after we fix the unit. Stay tuned. Okay, this is the final result after we replace the ceiling and the siding. Show you here. As you can see, we did not use the existing part. This is our material. Look like original on the front. And also the back seat, the front back cover, we also fix the two side, and also we repaired for the pocket already. And also on the four sidings, as you can see, the last time the switch is very sticky. We also repair it. Looks original already. No more sticky film. And also the inner handle, the last time it's feel sticky. Then right now we reupholster it into genuine leather. On the four door, we're talking. And also this one. And this one we also replace it into genuine leather because the original is already loosened. So we replace it with a new one. This is our final product. like original from the factory. If you're interested with our repository here, feel free to message me. We do all types of car here. And please follow and subscribe my YouTube channel, PRS Car Accessories and Services. See you here, everyone. Bye!